Given the frantic pace of LTE development and the falling cost of ownership, the hot question of the moment is, will LTE replace LMR? It may surprise you to know that the consensus amongst those with the biggest stake in mission-critical LTE is not soon. While major stakeholders anticipate LTE and eventually 5G to take over many of the functions of LMR, they say we should expect to see the continued use of LMR for many years to come. The operators of these major LTE systems warn that public safety agencies cannot rely on LTE alone. They see LMR as a necessary element of public safety critical communications for the foreseeable future. To quote a statement from FirstNet, first responders currently use land mobile radio or LMR networks for mission-critical voice communications. When the nationwide public safety broadband network, NPSBN, is launched, it will not replace their LMR systems. The network is expected to initially transmit data, video, and other high-speed features such as location information and streaming video, as well as non-mission critical voice. Public safety agencies will continue to use LMR networks for their mission-critical voice needs. That's the quote of FirstNet's view of the matter. One reason is that LMR remains the technology of last resort, the one that is still available when all others have failed. Public safety LMR was designed with a variety of fail-safe options to preserve communications even when major components of the network are damaged or become inoperable. Thus, if the core network fails in a multi-site LMR system, each individual site that is up and running can switch to local standalone operations, still able to connect any units within range. Even if all sites are down and the whole network is dead, units can still talk to each other in direct or simplex or talk-around mode. Public safety relies on these fallbacks, which so far LTE networks struggle to offer. Newer LTE standards specifically aimed at mission critical, such as IOPS for standalone site operation, have been developed to address these critical concerns, but commercially available products are still in their infancy. Much real-life testing lies ahead before public safety feels totally safe with the delivered goods. To date, LMR is the technology that comes closest to delivering public safety-grade systems. It has taken a few decades of field and interoperability testing, customer experience, standards and product refinement to reach this point. LTE, in the view of its developers and organization users, is still in learning mode. Their strong recommendation is to retain LMR for mission-critical voice, alongside LTE for broadband data. This recommendation has an underlying message. No technology is good at everything, so why stick with just one? LMR has been battle-tested in emergency situations. It already provides wide area voice coverage where no telco wants to tread with tried and true voice call services. While not perfect, LMR still has a better handle on interoperability than its competitors, and Mission Critical continues to rely on LMR's ultra-reliable networks with built-in fail-safe options. And Mission Critical continues to rely on LMR's ultra-reliable networks with built-in fail-safe options. On the other hand, LTE brings dazzling broadband data performance, low latency, a ready platform for the development of custom applications, and a path to the future. These are game-changing advantages that cannot be ignored. The challenge will be how to merge and manage LMR and LTE technologies, to unify them without compromising the benefits of either.